Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta app. You will click on settings as you see and you will click. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on this sign and you will search about Wattpad beta and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about this application of Wattpad beta. If you find updates like this, then you will update your app here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.